Wrote you this, I hope you got it saved. It's been so long, I don't know what to say. I traveled round through deserts on my horse, but jokes aside, I wanna come back home. You know, that night I said I had to go. You said you'd meet me on the sunny road. It's time we've met on the sunny road. It's time we've met on the sunny road. I never married, never had those kids. I loved too many, now heaven's closed its gates. I know I'm bad to jump on you like this. Some things don't change, my middle name still is. I know that night's a long, long time ago. Will you still meet me on the sunny road? It's time we've made on the sunny road. It's time we've made on the sunny road. Well, this is it. I'm running out of space. Here's my address, remember just in case. As tired as one will find which way to go. Now come and meet me on the sunny road.
Comes through my window, bathed in blue. The walls of my memory divide the thorns from the roses. It's you and the roses. See